In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion templates in your private workspace and even delete and optimize that particular templates. So this is my private workspace of Notion, and right now I have these 4 pages under my private workspace. So, and if you see here, there is called a section, there's a menu in the sidebar that is called templates. I can either go here, or whenever I add a new page, I will get the option of templates just below in the footer of that newly added page. I will click on templates, and this template gallery opens up. In this, you can see start with a template and choose from over 20,000 resources, 20,000 plus templates they have. We can select the category, the top category mentioned over here, life, work, or school. And we can even use this search bar to search anything. There are some featured templates, like this one is wish list items or installment or movie and series tracker, and all these are featured templates. We have some top categories like TV, movies, gifts, and wish list, and all these are some of the categories. You can pick one if you think that something matches your interest. Furthermore, there are some collections, there are some featured creators as well. So creators are those people who create these templates, and they have like 33 templates are created by this creator, and 39 templates by them, 16 templates they have created, 6 templates, 17 templates. So they are some of the creators. If you know someone who is a creator and you particularly want to find out the templates from that particular creator, you can use these sections as well. You can click on get started, and you have to create your Notion creator profile account, and you will be able to contribute to this template gallery of Notion. So that's not our main point. Our main point is how to use these templates, how to add these templates in our private workspace and use it. So let's search, since my focus is for bloggers, so I will search blog calendar. Okay, so there are 66 results, and some of them are free and some of them are paid. We'll go with all. And now I can see all the templates that we have. I will go with this one, blog manager for SEO. And since this is free, so this is fine. We are not going to shift to paid templates for now. I will click on it, and a specific page opens up. These are some of the tags that they have added. 17 templates are submitted by this creator. So we will first preview this template by clicking on preview. So this is how it will look like. Here you can change the title, project name, and this will be the calendar. And here they have some chat GPT prompts. Okay, this is fine. And remember to write original, unique, helpful content. They have written some call out in the end. No problem. We will use this template. I don't know if you like it or not. Even I'm not so much convinced by this calendar, but let's proceed and add to our workspace by clicking on add to my workspace. It will ask you where to add. We'll go with the add to private, and it is duplicating this template in my private workspace of Notion. Okay, perfect. So this thing is added in my private workspace here at the bottom. I can drag and drop wherever I want. So this will be my, I can change the name now. I'm optimizing it, monthly content calendar. I can change the icon to calendar. I can even change the cover image. Blog articles. Reposition them. Okay. So this will be my calendar. And in case we don't need these are the pages inside these pages. They are in the gallery view. You can go for list view, and these are the pages that they have added. And furthermore, I will come out of this and come back to my calendar page. They have project name. You can change, edit, and use it in whatever manner you want to use it. These 6 dots, they have just added a prompt and some CTAs in the end. Simply click on these 6 dot and delete them. So this is how you can import or you can add a template, Notion template from the template gallery and use it in your private workspace and optimize it before using it. And if you don't like any newly added template, you can simply go to this area and move it to trash. This whole thing will be moved to trash. And if you are someone who is planning who is planning to use Notion for their blog, do check our other videos and visit our website 1millionblogs.com as well. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.